Hello guys and welcome back to our channel Meaning of. In this channel we discuss meaning of different symbols, numbers, alphabets, words, things and much more. In today's topic we will discuss the meaning of 69 symbol in slang, relationship or in romance. So friends, 69 symbol is a sex position when two partners are meeting together on bed in opposite direction, like 6 and 9 for oral sex at the same time. This position called as 69 position. Now, if you find this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. And if you have any query more about this symbol, just comment on this video. We will answer all queries as soon as possible.